Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the monTEK Motorized Ceiling TV Mount, a sleek and powerful solution designed to transform your living space. If you've ever wanted to mount your TV on the ceiling and control it effortlessly, this is the product you need to know about. This mount supports TVs from 37 to 75 inches, including both flat and curved screens, and can hold up to 99 pounds, making it compatible with most modern TVs. It works with VESA patterns ranging from 200 by 100 mm up to 600 by 400 mm, which means it fits a wide variety of screen sizes and models. Whether you have a living room, bedroom, or home theater, this mount promises versatility and a clean, minimalist aesthetic by lifting your TV out of the way when not in use. One of the standout features of this mount is its motorized tilt functionality. With a tilt range from 0 to 80 degrees and plus or minus 2 degrees of leveling, you can adjust the screen to find the perfect angle without ever leaving your seat. The motor is quiet and smooth, so whether you're adjusting to reduce glare or just want a cinematic angle, it feels seamless and controlled. Control options are extensive. You can use the included remote, the Tuya mobile app on your smartphone, or even integrate it with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. This means you can lower, raise, or tilt your TV using whichever method suits you best, offering smart home convenience and effortless operation. Safety and durability were clearly priorities in the design. The mount is made from high-strength alloy steel and has been weight tested up to 4 times its rated load. It has also been tested for over 20,000 extension cycles, so it's built to last and perform reliably over years of use. It's compatible with flat or sloped concrete, brick, and wood ceilings, though wood studs are not recommended. Installation is made straightforward with a pre-punched drilling template, clearly labeled hardware, and a step-by-step guide, including videos. For larger TVs, the manual suggests ensuring the VESA holes are properly centered to avoid clearance issues with the ceiling, which is easy to manage with a second set of hands. Once installed, this mount frees up valuable wall and floor space, folding flat against the ceiling when not in use. This makes it ideal for open floor plans or rooms where every inch of space counts. In terms of dimensions, the product itself weighs 16 pounds and measures about 26 by 20 by 28 inches. Compact enough for easy handling during installation yet strong enough to support large screens securely. Overall, this motorized ceiling TV mount combines strength, precision, and smart functionality in one package. It's perfect for anyone looking to maximize space, add a touch of tech sophistication, and enjoy flexible viewing angles without compromise. If you're looking to upgrade your TV setup with a ceiling mount that works with modern smart home systems, this product is definitely worth a closer look. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth looks at innovative gadgets that make your home smarter and more stylish.